Design and simulation of vending machine in Logisim-Evolution. Logisim is basically a software which is used for development of different circuits and its layout, the out layout. So I have designed its vending machine, its operations, like these are the abstract introduction and its design methodology, in which I have used the main circuit, bank sub-circuit, activator, dispenser subcircuit, product, and vending subcircuit. Okay, so after that I have just explained what is the coin detection input circuit, in which we just need to add the different coins in the machine, and the coin will load and add the circuit using the binary encoder. And after that it will you need to select the product according to, and the control system will automatically match the product with its price. Whether if your price is higher than the product, then it will return your remaining price as well. Okay, this is a dispensing circuit activate once the product enables signal was generated. It is triggered a clock registered for D flip-flops to create a short active pulse for a motor actuator. Okay, so output pin in Logisim. The LED will be displayed for the successful of dispensing circuit. After the chain return circuit, it means that if you need get the remaining price, the product cost will be high, and the remaining amount you will be returned based on the after LED based circuit represented. So we have used the subtractors, registers, constants, output pins, and the logic gates. So after that, system reset control logic main circuit. So this is the complete main circuit we have used in this case, in which we have added the dispenser circuit, soldering circuit, soldered circuit, its product, its vending machine, its stock, and enable pin as well. Okay. So activator subcircuit, this is the activator subcircuit, this is the bank subcircuit. Okay, we will use the ALU and the mux technique. Okay, which will do some plus, minus, multiply, and the division. And this is the dispenser circuit, which will provide the activate the signals from different demux routes and provide the appropriate product subcircuit. Okay, so this is the product subcircuit. Okay, this is the product subcircuit used in the vending machine and the vending subcircuit. Okay, this is a vending subcircuit, and after that we need to test and observations based on different conclusions. So these are the conclusions. Okay, so I have written the complete product. Let me just show you. These are the vending uh, files used in the circuit. Logisim evaluation vending machines. We just need to open the circuit using the vending machine. For example, we have just a MATLAB softwares, Logisim software. For example, here this is our Logisim software. Okay, so you just need to open reset. We need to just open its up down counter. Okay, I think it is not, files are not available right now, but let me just open the circuit. For example, we just open the circuit here, and we go to downloads, our WiredWhite 6 project, vending machine project. Here are the different 4-bit vending machine. Currently all the libraries are not available, but let me just show you the complete circuit. Okay, okay, the files are not available, but it is okay now. Okay, so you just when you load the libraries, it will work for the